In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning phone wallpaper using Canva. It's a quick and fun process that allows you to express your creativity and personalize your device. First things first, you'll want to log into canva.com. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. It's free and easy to sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the homepage. Here, look for the Create a Design button. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu, and from that list, select Custom Size. This choice is crucial because it lets you set the exact dimensions of your wallpaper, ensuring it perfectly fits your smartphone screen. Now let's talk about dimensions. A common size that fits most smartphones is 1080 by 1920 pixels. Go ahead and type these numbers into the width and height boxes. This size is generally optimal for a wide range of devices, but if you know your specific phone model's resolution, you might want to adjust accordingly. Once your canvas is set up, it's time to unleash your creativity. You have a lot of options here. Add inspiring quotes to brighten your day, or incorporate graphics and icons that resonate with your style. You can even upload photos that have personal significance. If you're looking for a starting point, Canva offers a variety of templates. These can give you a structured design to build upon, which can be especially helpful if you're unsure where to begin. While you're designing, keep one important tip in mind. Try to position key elements like text or focal imagery away from the edges of your design. This is crucial because when you set the image as your wallpaper, icons and widgets on your phone's home screen might overlap and obscure these elements, diminishing the overall effect. Now that your design is complete, it's time to save your work. You'll want to download your design as either a PNG or JPG file. Both formats work beautifully for wallpapers, but a PNG might offer slightly higher quality, particularly if your design features a lot of detailed graphics. The final step is to transfer your new wallpaper to your phone. You can do this via USB, email, or cloud storage services, whichever method you find most convenient. Once the image is on your device, navigate to the Settings menu to set it as your wallpaper. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom phone wallpaper using Canva, tailored specifically to your taste. Enjoy your new wallpaper and the personal touch it brings to your device. Don't forget, you can go back and make as many as you like, experimenting with different designs and themes to suit your mood, season, or even specific events in your life.